Boom. Hey internet, happy holidays. Let's start with that. Happy holidays. So we are here. It's Black Friday, Cyber Monday-ish type territory, and we're in that time of year. So I don't know who's gonna watch this. The analytics starts to fluctuate when we start getting to the end of the year, because you guys are busy buying gifts for your family and your loved ones. You're working overtime. If you're in college, you're working a stocking job in a company that needs stocking, or maybe you're delivering for Amazon. So everyone's hustling and hopefully though feeling good and feeling spirited about the year. But we've come to the big promotion times of the year, okay? Christmas, of course, is going to be huge. Also definitely wanted to highlight Black Friday, Cyber Monday, okay? As a lot of you guys should be getting a good majority of your sales from your e-commerce shop, okay? Now, I've dropped 2 videos where I was telling you guys you should get ready for promotions. So, and just try to not do a last minute, coupon code. Try to go beyond that, okay, where you can really engage people and use the tools that we have. Use Facebook and Instagram for offense and defense, okay, because you can reach out to your customer, okay. At this point, you could have put a list together of people you want to bless with a special holiday coupon, and you can personalize it. You can make a video and say, hey, you're one of my top customers, thank you so much. I'm emailing you with this video a code that's for you. Any person would love to get that sort of personal attention for the company. But anyways, as we've arrived to today, enjoy. I'm gonna say there's always the videos of the carnage that happens at like Walmart or some big retailer where someone gets stomped out, and that's never fun to watch. I actually don't even come close to any kind of shopping mall or any kind of midnight sales personally. I know I'm part of the minority with that, but try to enjoy your time out there. Be careful and try to enjoy your time out there. So what we can, since for the companies that didn't do any kind of preparation, we're already here. So what I wanted to do for this video was say, observe what other companies are doing to promote, okay? Think about the places you're going to shop, okay, and how you heard of it. Now, if it's one of the aforementioned, the really big box retail, like you're doing a Walmart, you're doing a Target, yeah, don't think about that, because those are multi-billion dollar companies. But everybody should be shooting their shot right now in terms of trying to compete for the dollar. So think about your favorite brands. Think about brands where you would like your clothing company to hang next to, and you should have them on your radar already as case studies to see what they're doing successfully. Watch what they're doing and see what they're doing for their promotion and take notes from it, okay? Just see what people are doing out there and do that research, and that's how you can benefit from these big sales at the end of the year, okay? Hope that helps. Any other questions, drop them below. Stay safe, have fun with your family. Again, happy holidays. Like if you like, sub if you love, hit the bell for notifications, follow me on social media. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.